Pancake Day is coming up and Bear needs your help to make his favourite pancakes. These bear-shaped pancakes are the perfect way to add some joy to your plate. Get your ingredients together. You'll need 1 cup of plain flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, a pinch of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of melted butter. And for the decoration, you can use some chocolate syrup and bananas. You want to grab a bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, baking soda and salt. Give that a little mix. Now in another bowl, we're going to mix together our wet ingredients. So whisk your milk, egg and melted butter together. Then pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and then mix gently until combined. Don't worry if you've got small lumps, these are fine. And now it's bear time. You want to grab a non-stick pan and lightly grease this with butter. Firstly, pour a medium-sized circle straight into the pan. Let it start to cook until you see some bubbles forming on the top. Then use a little spoon and add 2 small circles of batter at the top of the big circle. These are going to be the ears and they'll fuse together as they cook. Once the edges look set, gently flip the entire bear shape in one motion and then cook again for another 30 to 60 seconds. Now it's time to decorate. Add a slice of banana to the middle and a chocolate nose and 2 eyes. And there we have it, your chocolate bear, almost too good to eat.